The Democratic Republic of Nepal is a landlocked sovereign state located in South Asia, with an area of 147,181 square kilometers and a population of approximately 27 million. Nepal is the world's 93rd largest country by land mass and the 41st most populous country. It is located in the Himalayas and bordered to the north by China and to the south, west, and east by India. The nation's capital is Kathmandu, which is the largest metropolis. Nepal is among the poorest and least developed countries in the world, with about one quarter of its population living below the poverty line. Agriculture is the mainstay of the nation's economy, providing a livelihood for three-fourths of the population and accounting for a little over one-third of its GDP. Aside from agriculture, the Nepalese also derives their income from tourism, metallurgy, and herbs. Nepal has considerable scope for exploiting its potential in hydropower, with an estimated 42,000 megawatts of feasible capacity, but political instability hampers foreign investment. Additional challenges to Nepal's growth include its landlocked geographic location, civil strife and labor unrest, and its susceptibility to natural disasters. The country has, however, made progress towards sustainable economic growth since the 1950s and is committed to a program of economic liberalization. Nepal has used a series of five-year plans in an attempt to make progress in economic development. It completed its ninth Economic Development Plan in 2002. Foreign aid accounts for more than half of the development budget. Government priorities over the years have been the development of transportation and communication facilities, agriculture, and industry. The nation receives substantial amounts of external assistance from the United Kingdom, the United States, Japan, Germany, and the Scandinavian countries. Several multilateral organizations, such as the World Bank, Asian Development Bank, and the UN Development Program, also provide assistance.